And take a look at 2012 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, FWD, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, mini spare tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.